There we go. Yeah. All right. Dig a hole.
So yeah, right 6 short into left 5 plus, and then 60, right 3 uphill over lake crest, down into left 4 plus. So right 3 over lake crest, down into left 4 plus, into right 4 over crest, downhill rough, 40,
Stay out of the
right 6 tightens to 5, 100, right 6 tightens to 5, 100 up the hill, crest into left 3 long, and then 50 uphill into crest, right 5 plus, and then 60 small crest and right 5 minus, and crest, right 5 minus and crest left 5, keep left into crest right 3 downhill into long left 3. So crest right 3 downhill into left 3 long, down the hill, 30, crest, 60, small crest, and crest into left 3 short at the end, into right 5 short. So left 3 short at the end, into right 5 short, into left 6 short, 50, left 5 short, crest into right 5 short, into crest, into right 6 short, and crest 30, right 4, don't cut.
right 4.
And crest right 5, don't cut, past the junction, right 5, don't cut, 80, rough right 4 long into long left 4. So rough right 4 long into left 4 long, and right 6 short over small crest, 50, right 3 into deceptive crest left 2. So right 3 into deceptive crest left 2. 40, 40 up the hill, kick right 5 over crest, 150, left 5 short over crest, stay in, 50 downhill, into left 3 kick, stay in, 40, left 6 over small crest, and 50, small crest, left 3 over small crest, into right 3 late. Oh shit, sorry.
Yeah.
Same place as last time.
Going on there.
Left 3 here.
Yep.
Over small crest.
Right 3.
Into right 3 late.
Yep.
100. 100, right 4 slippy. And left 6 short. 30, right 5 over late crest into left 4 plus.
Right 5 over crest.
Right 5 over late crest into left 4 plus, and right 6 don't cut short into left 5 short, 100, right 5 over jump, 150, crest into right 6 long.
Next time call the 150.
Crest into right 6 long into 4 right. So this is right 6 long into 4 right over small crest, and then left 3, 80, right 5 over jump right in the middle.
Jumper now. Okay.
80, right 6 short, and right 3 into left 3.
Faster next time.
And crest left 5 into caution crest, don't jump into downhill long left 3. Into left 5 short, and right 3 up the hill into left 4 over small crest. Left 4 over small crest into left 5 over jump and left 6 short, and left 5 over crest into right 5 short, into left 6 over long crest into small crest 50, into right 5 short, 60, left 5 plus into crest into right 4 long slippy.
Say that again.
So left 5 plus into crest into right 4 long, so right 4 long.
Okay.
slippy, and into small crest. Hang on, sorry, we've
Right 4, maybe left 5.
whoa.
Then this
Small crest right into right 6, yeah, 140 bad ruts, that's here. Right 3 over crest.
Right up, bogged down.
Right 3 over crest. 80, crest into left 4 long. Into left 4, tightens over crest. Rough, left 4. Left 4, tightens over crest. Into rough. And crest 50, right 4 at the end. Right 4, and then right 4 late. So right 4 late here, into left 3. Into right 3 plus short. Right 3 plus short, into left 3. And right 4 short, into left 3 over crest, into right 4 short, don't cut. So left 3 over crest, into right 4 short, don't cut. And caution, left 5, into jump, into right 4, into jump, into left 4 uphill. Into jump, into right 3, kick. So left 4 up the hill, into right 3 kick, into left 5 short. Into jump, through dip, into left 4. And small crest 30, right 5 short, into jump, into right 3 short over crest.
Right 5.
So right 3 short, into left 5 short, into left 3 tightens, car off, careful. Keep going, this is a right 3, 50, look for the OK board. Yeah, they're all good. So this is right 4 tightens over crest, and left 4 long past the junction. And then 60, left 4 again, and right 3 over small crest. So left 4 and then immediate right 3 over small crest, into left 4, and right 4 over small kick, through dip, so right 4 over small kick, through dip, into left 5 short, into right 4 tightens over small crest. Right 4 tightens over small crest, into left 3, and left 5 minus, into right 4 long. So left 5 minus here, into right 4 long, 40, left 4, tightens over crest, and crest into don't cut left 3. 60, right 3 over late crest, and small crest into left 4 tightens, small crest into left 4 tightens, into crest into right 4 plus.
Left 4 tightens and crest right 4.
Right 4 plus. Okay. 70, small crest, right 3 long into double caution, left 4 tightens to 3, downhill loose. So right 3 long, tightens, or then into left 4 long, tightens to 3, downhill loose, caution. Left 4 tightens to 3. 50, right 4, tightens late over crest. 70, big jump, and then 80, left 4 at the end, tightens over late crest, and then right 4 plus. So left 4 tighten, and then right 4 plus continues over crest, and left 3 tightens late. Left 3 here, tightens late. 50, right 4 very long. 80, right 4 very long. 80, right 5 short, and left 4 continues long, tightens late over small crest.
Say that again.
So left 4 long, tightens late over small crest. Into right 4 tightens late. Into right 4 tightens late. Into left 5 over small crest. 60, crest right 4 into crest left 3 tightens late. So crest right 4 into crest left 3 tightens late over finish. And then once you're over the finish, it's right 6 over crest, which is back off. That was good.
Yeah, it was fun. A good flow going there.